Stay Group Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 10th standard maths, state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.1, mensuration. See, yesterday we have seen cylinder, now we are going to see cone. Cone. See, a right circular cone is a solid, a right circular cone is a solid generated by the revolution of right angle triangle. See, this is a right angled triangle. You can see the right angled triangle. It is revolved like this. You can join the edges. You can get a cone shape. It is revolved like this. When you take a rectangular sheet, you can fold like this, breadthwise or lengthwise. You can get a cylinder. The same way, a right angle triangle, you can fold the edges. You can get a cone by the revolution of the right angle triangle. About one of the sides contain a right angle. One of the sides is 90 degree. One angle should be 90 degree. Right angle as axis. It revolves like this or it revolves like this. It revolves like this. So you are getting it. If it is revolves like this, means you can getting a cone, or otherwise it revolves like this. One of the angles, that right angle is as a axis. See the shape of the cone. See, this is the slant vertical height. This is the slant height. That hypotenuse part. In a right angle triangle, that hypotenuse part is nothing but a slant height of the cone. And this is the height of the cone. This is nothing but a slant height of the cone, and this is the height of the cone. And this is the height of the cone, and this is the radius of the cone. This is the radius of the right circular cone. So you can take it as A, B, C. A triangle, right angle triangle, A, B, C. This is the slant height of the cone. This is the height of the cone, and this value is nothing but what? Radius of the cone. If you want to find out the slant height, it is nothing but a right angle triangle. You can use the Pythagoras theorem. L square equal to h square plus r square. L square equal to h square plus r square. L equal to root of h square plus r square. You can imagine a birthday cap, conical cap, birthday cap. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, see here, a right circular cone is a solid generated by revolving the what? Right angle triangle. One of the sides considered as a right angle as its axis. Depend upon the right angle side, the cone revolve along the axis. See here, if it is like this, if the cone is like this, see, this is a right angle triangle, it revolve like this. If it is like this, it revolves along the y-axis, and it revolves along the x-axis. And this cone revolves along the y-axis. Is it clear, children? See here, what is the curved surface area of the cone? Curved surface area of the cone. It's nothing but what? Area of the sector. A curved surface area of the cone, or what? Area of the sector. It's nothing but area of the sector. The formula is pi r L square units. Total surface area of the cone. total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone equal to pi r into L plus r square units. Pi r into L plus r square units. The same way, if you take a rectangular sheet and you can fold in such a way, you can get a cylindrical shape. See, you can join the lengthwise or breadthwise. Lengthwise you can join, you can get a rectangular. The same way you can join the breadthwise also, can get a rectangular shape. Is it clear, children? See the fourth sum, a right angle triangle PQR. Right angle triangle, we already discussed. The triangle, you can get the revolution of the triangle revolved, can get a cone. Okay, right angle triangle PQR, where angle Q equal to 90 degree is rotated about QR and PQ. Both the ways it is rotated. See here, you can take the triangle, right angle triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. Angle Q equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then QR equal to 16 centimeter. QR equal to 16 centimeter and PR equal to 20 centimeter. PR equal to 20 centimeter. You should find out the value of PQ. What is the value of PQ? PR square. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. You know very well that Pythagoras theorem. It is a right angle triangle, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So PQ square equal to PR square minus QR square. PR square minus QR square. PQ equal to root of PR square minus QR square. PR square minus QR square, it gives root of 400. That is 20 square is 400 minus QR square. 16 square is what? 256. 16 square is 256. So root of 144. Root of 144. What is the value of PQ? PQ equal to 12 centimeter. PQ equal to 12 centimeter. When triangle is rotated about, QR and PQ. First I can take it as when triangle is rotated about PQ. When triangle is rotated about PQ is rotated about PQ. You just imagine the triangle. This is the height of the triangle. You can take it as it is rotated like this. It is rotated like this. Is it clear, children? It is rotated like this. That is along the y-axis. It is rotated like this. It is rotated like this. That is nothing but what? This is the height of the cone and QR is nothing but the radius of the cone. If it is rotated along PQ, it is rotated, it is like this. It is nothing but what? PQ is nothing but a y-axis. It is nothing but, it is rotated like this. PQ is become a height of the cone and QR is nothing but a radius of the cone. So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone equal to 12 centimeter. Rotated about PQ. You can imagine the cone is rotated like this. It is nothing but a y-axis. Y-axis you can imagine as a height of the cone. So height equal to 12 centimeter. Height equal to 12 centimeter. Then radius. This is nothing but what? Radius. See here. This is nothing but a radius. Radius is nothing but QR. If it is rotate like this. Okay. QR. Radius equal to radius equal to 16 centimeter. Radius equal to 16 centimeter. See here, height equal to 12 centimeter and radius equal to 16 centimeter. Curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone. What is the formula for curved surface area of the cone? Pi r L into square units. Pi r L into square units. Pi r L into square units. It gives pi into what is the radius when the triangle is rotated about PQ. What is the radius? 16 into what is the slant height? 20 centimeter square. Centimeter square. It gives 320 pi centimeter square. 320 pi centimeter square. Then when triangle is rotated about QR. When triangle is rotated about QR. If it is QR means it will rotate like this. It will rotate like this. It is along x-axis. Along x-axis. It will rotate like this along x-axis. Then that QR act as a height of the cone. QR act as a height of the cone and PQ is nothing but a radius of the cone. You can imagine the cone like this. The first one, when the triangle is rotated about PQ means the cone is like this. When the triangle is rotated about QR means the cone is like this. Okay, you can imagine it rotate about QR. If it is rotate like this, QR is the height of the cone. QR is the height of the cone and this is nothing but a PQ is nothing but a radius of the cone. See, height of the cone. What is the height of the cone? Height of the cone equal to 16 centimeter. Height equal to 16 centimeter and radius equal to 12 centimeter. Radius equal to 12 centimeter. Then curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L square units. Pi r L square units. Pi r L square units. It gives pi into what is the radius? 12. Radius is 12 into what is the L value? L value is 20. 20 centimeter square. It gives 240 centimeter square. We have to compare. See, compare the curved surface area of the right circular cone. Compare the when we compare the curved surface area of the right circular cone, see here which is larger. This is larger. So, curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of the cone when rotated about PQ. When rotated about PQ is larger than PQ is larger than that of QR. That of QR. You compare these two. This is the triangle rotated about PQ. That is triangle is rotated about QR. We can compare these two values. This value is larger. See the fifth sum. 4 persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeter. If you are going for a trekking, you can make a conical tent. Just you can imagine. See, 4 persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeter. If each person require 22 centimeter square area space, 22 centimeter square of the floor area, that area of the floor area where you can sit, the floor area, then find the height of the tent. You should find out the height of the tent. What is given? Slant height is given. Slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. slant height of the cone equal to 19 centimeter. It's nothing but what? L equal to 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter. See this 19 slant height is slant height. This height of the cone. This is slant height is given as what? 19 centimeter. You should find out the height of the cone. Then you can require radius. If you want to find out the height of the cone, you need radius. So what is the next thing they have given? Total area. Total floor area they have given. See here. Total floor area. Floor area of 4 persons. Floor area of 4 members is equal to 288. It's equal to 22 centimeter square. Total area it's given as what? It's given as 22 centimeter square, but 4 person 22 into 4, that is required base area. Required base area, so you can multiply 22 into 4, the value is equal to 88 centimeter square. It's nothing but a required base area of the conical tent. What is the area of the square? Because it is nothing but a shape of the base area is nothing but what? Circle shape. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So pi r square equal to 88. Pi r square equal to 88. 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r square equal to 88. So r square equal to 88 into 7 by 22. So 22 ones are 22 fours are. What is the value of r square? R square equal to 28. The value of r square is 28. So what is the formula? Can use the Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle. H equal to root of. H equal to height equal to root of L square minus R square. Root of L square. 19 square is 361. 19 square minus R square value as it is, you can take it as 28. So 28, it gives 361 minus 28 root of 361 minus 28 is nothing but what? 333. See the square root of root 333. See, by long division method you can do the square root. You can do it in a rougher column. 333 point, you can add 2 zeros. 2, 2, 2, 1. See, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, exceeding the value. So 1 ones are 1, balance 2. So you can bring that 33 down. So you can multiply 1 by 2. So 2, you can put a dash here. The same number you can multiply here also. So you can multiply any number. You can do it. 22 into 2, 23 into 3, 24 into 4, 25 into 5. Likewise, you can multiply. So 28 into 8, the value is 224. The value is 224. So you can write 8 here. You can write 8, 224. Subtract 224. 9. Can bring 2 zeros. You can bring 2 zeros down. You can bring 2 zeros down. 9, the answer is 9. You can bring 2 zeros down. Again you can multiply. See, 28 plus 8. 28 plus 8, the value is what? 36. You can add this number by this number. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 you can put on dash. The same number you can multiply here and there. You can put a decimal value, decimal point here. You can check the value in the rougher column. See, 362 into 2. 362 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 12, 724. So 7 24. So you can put 2 here, you can put 2, 7, 24. When you subtract, what is the answer? 6, 176. 176, again you can put 2 zeros down. 2 zeros down. Then 362 plus 2, the last digit you can add. 362 plus 2, the value is what? 364. 364, you can put 1 dash. You can multiply the number. You can take any number, that same number you can multiply here. See, 364, 4 into 4, you can multiply. 4 into 4. So what is the value? 4 4s are 16, balance 1. 4 4s are 16, 1 17, balance 1. 24, 1 25, balance 2. Then 14. 14,576. 14,576. So you can put it 4 here. So what is the value here? Height equal to, height of the right circular cone equal to 18.24 centimeter. Height of the right circular cone. 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 Circular cone equal to, height of the right circular cone equal to 18.24 centimeter. 18.24 centimeter. See the sixth sum. A girl wishes to prepare a birthday cap in the form of a cone, right circular cone, using a sheet of paper whose area is 5720 centimeters square. How many caps? You know that a birthday cap, it is in a shape of a cone. How many caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? So what is given? The radius of the sheet. Radius of the sheet they are given as what? 5. Radius of the cap. So radius of the cap equal to, how many caps can be made with radius 5 cm. Radius of the cap equal to 5 centimeter and height of the cap. Height of the cap. Height of the cap equal to, height of the cap equal to 12 centimeter. Height of the cap equal to 12 centimeter. See, radius. Radius equal to 5 centimeter. Radius equal to 5 centimeter and height. This is nothing but a vertical height. This is nothing but a slant height. This is vertical height. Vertical height of the cap equal to 12 centimeter. Then you should find out the curved surface area, because the area is like this. The cone is like this. The area, curved surface area you should find out. Curved surface area of the cone. L equal to slant height. L equal to root of. L equal is nothing but L value. L equal to root of h square plus r square. L equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square plus 5 square. L equal to slant height. L equal to root of 144 plus 25. 144 plus 25. L equal to root of 169. Slant height. Slant height of the cap. Slant height of the cap equal to 13 centimeter. It gives 13 centimeter. Slant height of the cap equal to 13 centimeter. What is the formula? Curved surface area of the cone. Conical cap. Curved surface area of the right circular cone. Cone equal to pi r L square units. Pi r L square units. See, it gives pi equal to 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is nothing but 5. 5 equal to slant height is 13. Slant height is 13. So 1 slant height into 13 pi r L. 22 by 7 into radius is 5 into slant height is 13. 22 into 5, 110. 110 into 13 by 7. So you should find out the number of area of the sheet. Area of the sheet is given at what? 5720 centimeter square. Area of sheet of paper. Sheet of paper is, it is given as what? 5720 centimeter square. Now you should find out the number of caps. Number of caps can be made with this radius and height. So number of caps, therefore number of caps can be made. Number of caps equal to total sheet area. What is the sheet area? 5720 by curved surface area of the cone with height 12 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter is 110 into 13 by 7. So it gives 5720 into 7. You can reciprocal this value. 110 into 13. 0, 0 cancel. 11 ones are 11 fives are 11 fives are balance 2. 52, 13 ones are 34 are. So 7 fours are 28. So number of caps can be made. Number of caps can be made equal to. So number of caps can be made. Number of caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter equal to 28 caps. Number of caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter equal to 28. So how we can find the value? Total area by curved surface area. We got the value of number of caps. I hope you understood, children. See here, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.